head over to this elementary school. So somebody reached out to me and wanted to do some questions, interviews for the kids. So I'm gonna head over there. Peace.
Right around here, yep. I'm gonna wait over here. Did you guys pass him?
No, he's not here.
Oh, he's not here? Like at school at all today?
Because he was in my first class.
Okay, I'm here with Mr. Collins, Robert, and Emilion, and we're gonna get started with our interview.
He was helping kids at the Boys and Girls Club. Like he was helping them with art, I think.
Yes.
Are you a graphic designer?
Yes.
And
I like to use the term designer. Graphic designer is like one thing. Designer is like a lot of stuff.
What other things are you trying to like work on throughout your life?
Be a resource for kids. I think part of the problem was when I was growing up, I ain't had nobody coming and talking to me.
what is your most prized possession?
Most prized possession? I think my brain. My brain is my most prized possession because your brain is like a muscle. So the more you exercise it, the more you look up stuff, the more you learn stuff, the better you are. So the more you know, the more valuable you are, because it's something about being mediocre. But the market, like we talked about, the market is the stores, it's the company. They're not gonna give you a shot if you're mediocre. It makes sense because you don't really add too much value. So I would like to say that, like, one of the things I would like to do is just feed 1,000 grumbling stomachs.